In the mirror, I'm doing my dance. Ain't he packing out nobody's pants. He a rapper, but don't got a chance. Sucking my waist, so I'm loving my bands. Like 1 million views in a day. There's so many ways to get paid. I tried dipping, he begged me to stay. Babe, I'm not staying, I just wanna play.
Everybody needs to count their money before they go to the appointment. Like, don't let somebody sit here and make it feel like you are losing your mind. Like, girl, I know I gave you this and this amount. That's why you make sure you count your money prior. Oh, am I the only one that, you know, carries around their insurance card? I just feel like you never know, God forbid what happens. You always need your insurance card, no matter what. You don't know what happened. When I was younger, like when I was in high school, I used to walk around with my social security card. Yeah, I used to walk around with my social security card in my purse. I don't know. And then there was that one time I had lost it. I had dropped it somewhere near my house and somebody actually brought it back. But still, that's like a scary ass moment because somebody could have like stole my identity. Alright, I'm about to order my Uber and then I'll see you guys at my hair appointment. I'm so excited.
This kind of things where they make man see ya. And me, I understand, so your dad know like me. See me, I want make you know, say me there for you, God. And if not the price be that, I feel like to see ya. I never tried it for nothing. This love will make me the dark man shit. This love you want to tell me with this all thing. chill, we on scale. Let's go, Domingo, let's go. Take, let's go. Set, let's roll. Straightening, yeah. Straightening, yeah. Don't none get strained but straightening. Don't none get strained but straightening. Don't none get strained but straightening. You don't get shit straight, you don't straighten. In this game, sit back, be patient. Niggas act like the game went vacant. Niggas act like something been taken. What? Ain't nothing but a little bit of straightening. Been kicking shit popping out daily. On the island, it's a movie I'm making. I'm counting De Niro's with Robert De Niro. He telling them that you're amazing. Put that shit on. Nigga get shit on. I bought 2 whips and I put my bitch on. She put this wrist on. She had to reset it with Richard Mill Prone. Turn a pandemic into a pandemic. You know that's the shit that we on. Yes, sir. Them niggas gon' pull up and L it. This shit is together. Won't fuck with you, home. I don't do the fake kicking. There go a rocket, is taking it. It's a problem with you that we straightening it. So like the cat with a demon in it. Upgrade the band up, put fiends in it. I got some shooters you seen with it. We're running shit back, I just seen tenant. We gonna get straightening, yeah. Straightening, yeah. Don't none get strained but straightening. Don't none get strained but straightening. Don't none get strained but straightening. You don't get shit straight, you don't straighten it. You don't get shit straight if you don't straighten it. I'm the type to sit back and watch patient. Do a trick with the stick, it's amazing. In the bando, chopping out bacon. Lows on like I'm starting the matrix. I get the cookie like my grandma made it. I get the keys and the pounds and the babies. And the bricks came white like shady. Try to Lambo through the avenue. Pretty little bit with an attitude.
So this is my nails. Oh, I want to show y'all it in a different way, but yeah, this is my nails. Now it's time for me to go home. I'm so tired, y'all. I'm tired, I'm hungry, and I gotta repack my suitcase, which y'all are gonna be a part of. I got to shave. I have to do so much. I have a lot to do, and we leave the house at 6 a.m. tomorrow. And it's already like 6 something now. I really want to go to sleep. And I'm gonna show y'all exactly what I bought from Target. I didn't really buy too much things because we already have stuff at home ready and prepared. So I'm gonna see you guys when I get home. So as you can see, this is a room of a person that is not packed and ready for her trip, clearly. So we're gonna try our best to gather our shit and hurry up.
Touchdown.